Hello, welcome to the Amazon product review presentation. So here we developed a Chrome extension to review the Amazon product present in the actual Amazon page, and through this software user can get an upfront feedback based on the user review comment entered in the Amazon screen. And this project work with a backend system which basically analyze the user reviews and produce the sentiment details which we plugged in into the browser. So to start with, we have the GitHub repo which is publicly available and all the codes are checked in here. And if you scroll, we have added a readme section where it mentioned how to install the Chrome extension and run the backend service, as well as we have the details of the project. So let me show you how the software is working functionality wise, then we'll go into the implementation details. So to start with, we implemented this software in the PyCharm IDE, and that has two component. One is the Chrome extension and another one is the text mining. And to run the backend service, basically we install the all the packages required for all this backend code, and the details has been mentioned in the GitHub repo. If we go to this section, we have a setup section for the backend server, and all the packages which needs to be installed is mentioned here. We used PyCharm IDE, but if you want to install from the terminal, you can install the same from the terminal. So let me stop the service. My service is running, and this is the main backend page which runs the server. We use Flux to implement a REST API which will communicate with the front end Chrome extension. So let me clear that out and run the server. Now the server is running with this localhost in the port 5011, and if I go to the extension and enable developers mode, then I can load an unpacked extension. And let me load the Chrome extension code first. So this is the Chrome extension and this is loaded now. Okay, so now if I go to the Amazon website, then what I can see, this is the homepage of the Amazon, and our intention is to show the sentiment based on the user reviews for a particular product. Okay, so I'm in the Amazon homepage, and you can see we have added a banner, and here it is showing the review sentiment not found because we are not in a specific product page. And if we go to any of the specific project page, for example, if I go here, then it will be loaded. Let me refresh and go there, and you can see now I'm a particular product page, and in this product page we have all the user reviews, like what users said about this product. So what we did here is that we send all these reviews to the backend service. The backend service analyzed the comments and produced the sentiment score, and based on that we are showing what is the response from different user and whether it is positive, negative, or something else. So we added a banner here, and here you can see the review sentiment is coming showing as positive. So through this Chrome extension, user can get an immediate feedback on this product. So they do not need to scroll each and every comment and understand how the product sentiment is based on user feedback. So that is one thing we have added, and when this page is getting loaded, it triggers the extension code and it's added the banner based on that. Okay, now if we want to see the inside details about different review comment, so we further extend the functionality through the extension pop-up. So if I open it, then it will open the Amazon product analyzer pop-up, and here you can see we have added two model. One is the text blob, another is the weather, and through this model we collected all the review comment which is in the page, and we generated the sentiment level for each user with certain set of data, and also we generate another line chart where it is showing the trend of the sentiment based on date. And also depending on different user comments, we extracted the popular keyword so that user can take a quick look what the people are discussing about this. Okay, so if I select another model, then it will regenerate the response based on the different model. So this way it is implemented, and it gives the insight based on the user review. So what user review? So this user review. So if I just hide this one, so this is based on this user review. Okay, so all this user review, it is showing the details. So now if I go into the code, here you can see all these uh, Amazon reviews basically sent to the backend system through the REST API, and it's calculate the polarity and send the response back to the front end system. So this way it is working. And to run the backend system, we have to install the corresponding packages, and this is mentioned in the GitHub repo. So if you follow the instruction here, you'll able to configure the repo, configure the backend system, and for the front end we just need to load the Chrome extension, nothing more than that. Now let's take a quick look about the project structure. So if I go here, we have added two parts. One is for the front end, which is the Chrome extension directory, and another is for the backend, which is a text mining directory. So in the front end, we have the manifest.js present, which basically is responsible for the Chrome extension manifest file, and we loaded this extension with this amazon.com pattern. Also, this is the popup.html we have created. And excuse me, and we have the content.js, which basically works behind the scene to collect all the user comments and also to render the data in the popup.html as well as Amazon homepage. So this is the code for creating the banner on the Amazon homepage, as well as we have the code for the REST API call present here where we are calling. Okay, and also we have one more popup.js present, which basically renders all the details to generate the bar chart as well as the line chart. We have the event listener, which basically listens through this Chrome extension and send the data to the backend system. We have the call API display, which basically calls the backend REST API service. And so here is the code where we are sending the model name and the text and the dates. And also we have implemented the recommendation and all these things through D3 JavaScript. So this is the code which basically creates the bar chart through D3 JavaScript. And also we have code to display the sentiment trend based on the date. And we have also the style just CSS present for visualization purpose. If we go into the backend code base, the first thing, which is the REST API, is implemented through Flask, and from here we use different text mining Python library to calculate the sentiment, polarities, and also to get the key phrases uh, through different Python classes. So if you look into all this code, it will have all the details, and ultimately we are preparing the response data as a JSON response, where we are sending the sentiment, key phrases, data for the charting, and all those things. So each one has a different responsibility to do the text mining through different model. We have text blocks as well as feather for the model. So that is mostly the presentation is, and in future we can publish that Chrome extension to the Chrome web store, as well as the local backend system is running locally using the local host. But we can host in cloud service like AWS or Azure for the backend service. So in that case, anyone can use that Chrome extension, and this is a live Chrome extension which works on the Amazon page and can be integrated through Chrome web store, and we hope it will benefit the user. Yeah, thank you for watching the presentation. Thanks so much.